We'd like to calculate the magnitude of the acceleration of p when its velocity is at a maximum. So we're given our beta and we're given our theta dot. So what we can do, we'd like to find it when it's at a maximum of the acceleration. So let's convert our theta dot. So theta is our angular rate, 120 times 2 pi over 60. So theta is 4 pi radians per second. Theta double dot 0. From our r expression, we can write r dot, which is just our time derivative. From this, we get 50 times 4 pi times cosine of 4 pi t. That's just equal to 200 pi cosine of 4 pi t.